So I wanted to do a quick beauty supply store haul. And I'm just gonna show y'all, do a run through of what I got from the beauty supply store real quick. First, I got some Less Jam Extra Hold for me and my daughter's hair. I got some African Royal Hot 6 oil for our hair and body. I picked up some lipsticks, matte lipsticks. I picked up Melbrook, and it's in this color. And I picked up Shiraz, and it's in this color. Hopefully these work pretty good. I'm gonna see. I think I've had these before, True Matte. But I'm gonna try them out again and see, you know, if I like them or not. So I think I had them before. I'm not sure. I picked up, of course, a nail clipper because I need this for my nails. I picked up these earrings right here, which I'm digging. I'm really liking. Just some cross earrings. I always wanted some from, like, you know, I forgot those websites, the overseas, where they have this jewelry, sell jewelry. I think it's like Rose Gal or something like that. They have those type of style earrings. But I bought these. These are clip-ons. I don't know if y'all can see that good. Let's see. You got pearls on them and crystals. Well, not crystals, but cubic zirconium. Aaliyah, you on my foot. You're on my foot with the chair. You're on my foot. And then I picked up these. The small ones are going to be for my daughter, and the big ones are going to be for me. As y'all can see that. It's like a circle with cubic zirconium.
With a happy face on.
I picked up 2 necklaces because I told y'all, I don't know if well, I've seen in my vlogs where I had this necklace, but I picked up another one, and I picked up one in silver.
I'm trying it on.
And then I bought a super volume mascara, waterproof mascara. I bought that. And then I bought some earrings, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4 different types of earrings in one pack, and I bought those. So that's all that I purchased from the beauty supply store, and I will chat with y'all later.
Yeah, me too. We got stickers.
That's what I got. I got some little things, you know, just to have, you know, some earrings, because they change colors, and, you know, when they get, I can't clean them because I don't have the time to clean them, so I just buy new ones. So yeah, that's what I bought from the store. So I'll talk to y'all later. Y'all, I'm having little problems with my speech, little muscle issues, but it'll be okay. But yeah, I'll talk to y'all later at a later time. And Aaliyah wanted to be a part of the video. Y'all can hear her. I don't know if y'all can see her, but she wanted to be a part of the video as well.
I sing like I can squat.
There she go.
We should die. Really tired for all that because we are cars too.
Okay, that's enough. But this is how they look on my ears. They have other styles, but this is the style that I was going for. I might pick up the other styles that they had these in, but I don't know. Y'all, it takes a lot for me to go to the stores to pick these up because there's a lot going on, but we still make it do what it do and make it work. And I really like these earrings, so I'm going to wear them today. Yeah, I have to, they bend, so I got to be careful because these were, you know, those cheap earrings, y'all. It's just cute to wear, but it's so cute. It's so cute. That's how they look. But yeah. Alright, y'all. I'll talk to y'all later. This is the necklace. This is the Y necklace that I got to match. So my name starts with a Y. So I got the Y necklace. And I got the earrings to match with it. So I finally was able to pick up another necklace, like I was saying in my other videos, how I wanted another initial necklace and stuff like that. So I will talk to y'all later. I just wanted to show y'all this beautiful necklace that I got from the beauty supply store. Isn't that so nice? It's like a cute initial. And yeah. Alright, talk to y'all later. Don't mind my children in the back. So yeah, this is the necklace, and these are the earrings. All right, talk to y'all later. So I bought this dress from the thrift store, and it has pockets, and it's like a skater dress, y'all. No, push this over here. Oh, she's trying to stand up and be on camera too.
I'm scared of heights.
So I don't know if I can push the camera back enough. Push it right there, but this is how the dress looks.
Yeah, my friend got Jen, and I like it. Yeah. My friend liked it too.
I bought this dress from the thrift store for about it's a green dress for $6, y'all. It's a green dress, and I like it. It's a size 2X. Arms stretchy.
I'm about to pick up some baby.
And I don't know exactly what brand this dress is, but I really like this dress. It's a good material. And I just bought another necklace, a Y necklace. Knocking the camera over. I just bought another Y necklace, and I'll purchase these earrings to go with it. I don't have any bracelets, so I'm just doing earrings and necklace, and I'm just wearing some slides with it, or my Crocs, because my Crocs do have green in the inside the because it's the rainbow Crocs that I had on in one of my videos. I showed y'all I had on rainbow Crocs, so I'll just wear some Crocs because they're comfortable, and just slides or something like that.
Put the baby in too.
No, I'm not putting the baby in. So I will talk to y'all later. I'm gonna do another video where he's spitting up, Leah. Hold on. And I just put on this True Matte Nicka K liquid lipstick, and this is in Melbrook, and I just put that on. And I bought another one in another color called Shiraz, and this is the True Matte by Nicka K, and this is how it looks. Of course, you just need to make your lips look a little more
smoother, but this is a liquid lipstick, so it kind of shows like every crack in your lips. And I just use some Vaseline to like put it on before I put this color on. And it's like a nude color. I don't know if y'all can see it like that. It's like a nudie purple gray color. Not gray, but brown. It's like a nudie brown color. That's a good lipstick. It's called Melbrook. And it looks like this. So yeah. That's what I have on my lips. Alright, I will talk to y'all later. So this is how the lip looks in natural lighting.
Hey, I want to try it.
So I had ate some. I was drinking some coffee. So
I can't hear Corona. I can't hear nobody at all.
but I kind of like it. I want to find
Give
some
me the
more
lipstick.
liquid lipsticks.
I want lipstick on.
I want to find some more liquid lipsticks because
I want lipstick.
this one was just like something I saw at the front of the store.
Where's lipstick?
I'm sorry, babe.
Where's lipstick?
And stuff.
Where's lipstick?
But yeah, can y'all see that? I don't think y'all can see that, but
Mama,
I like
where's
my earrings.
lipstick?
I really like
Where's
these.
lipstick? Where's lipstick?
Where's the lipstick? You can't mess with it.
No.
When I get a new one, you can have the old one that I have. You can have the one that I bought when I get a new one. How about that? She plays with all my makeup, y'all.
No.
So
No.
I just bought some inexpensive makeup, and oh, you see how that color looks? It's like a purple. Watch out, Lee. You can't hop on the baby. It's like a purpley nude color. It's like a nudie purple. But y'all know y'all can't see that. But let's see. See, it's showing the truth.
Where's lipstick? What's your lipstick that you brought? Where's your other lipstick, like the old one? What's your other lipstick you
It's
said?
like a purple color. Dark purple.
I want it.
She's trying to put lipstick on her lips. And then I bought a red color because I knew red is like, you know, the colors that you wear when you want to look classy. It's a classic color in fashion. I got my headphones in. I got my daughter right here.
My brother is watching.
I should have got a lighter one, but I didn't know if it was going to be too sticky. What you was saying?
Put the fan down.
The fan fell in the room. Why you telling them that?
Because I want to.
Okay.
It tickles.
Don't mess my headphones up.
Okay. Are they here? Are my friends here yet? That's what I was playing with.
Hey y'all, it's Yadi. I'm here with another video. I just woke up, washed my face, stuff like that. I washed my face today because my face has been breaking out a little lately. I think it's that black soap that I've been using. It's like irritating my skin. So I need to switch to something else because I was using Youth to the People and Pond's and salicylic acid acne wash, and I might have to use that again because it's like my skin is just breaking out in like small bumps. I don't know if it's like heat bumps, but I don't think it's heat bumps. I think it's from acne, or it might be from, you know, I did have a little bit of soda, but I ain't drink the whole thing. I ain't drink the whole thing of soda. It's like, y'all, my skin reacts to everything. So, but I'm pretty sure it's that due to assume black soap that I've been using. Cause yeah, I just put on that liquid lipstick that I purchased from the beauty supply store, and it looks really good. So I'm wearing that. I'm watching YouTube, and I am about to get my daughter some cereal. She wants chips, but I'm gonna get her some cereal. Cause you know how kids are. Ooh. Oh, okay, it didn't wipe off. This is also I also Aaliyah, hush. Please. Jaleel is acting more quiet than you. Okay, I also put the waterproof mascara on from Nicka K that I bought from the beauty supply store, and I just wiped my eye and it didn't come off, so I guess that works too. So I just did like a little makeup, put on some mascara, put on my liquid lipstick, and moisturize my face. But I will talk to y'all later. The kitchen looks a little cleaner because we just removed the table, so it's more space. So it's more space, and I can sweep better because the kids be wasting cereal. I don't have the you know, those robot vacuum cleaners that just, you know, clean the floor. I don't have one of those, but that's how much stuff they be leaving on the floor, like rice and cereal and all of that good stuff. So baby is crying, so I'm going to get him. He's just making a little noise. It ain't too bad, but yeah. Alright, y'all, I will talk to y'all later. I still got my white necklace on, and I changed my earrings. And Aaliyah is on her tablet. So I just took a sip of my drink, and the lipstick didn't come off. So this one, the True Matte Nicka K brand, it's pretty good. It's smooth. Did it come off? No, it didn't come off. You see that? It's nothing on my finger. Nothing on my finger. Nothing on my finger. So nothing was on the coffee mug either. So let's see. All it is just the coffee dripping down the side. So it was nothing on there. So that's a pretty good liquid lipstick. Yeah. I know, like, this is a nice color. Like, I really feeling this. It's like very earthy, you know, like earthy. So yeah, just drinking my coffee. He's on her tablet. Chlil's on his
Jaleel, do you want to play?
he's on his talking mode.
Jaleel, do you
So
want to play?
yeah, I'm gonna just enjoy this morning. Enjoy my morning, y'all.
Say, did you enjoy your morning? Yes, I did.
Enjoy my morning. And I will talk to you later. I will talk to y'all later. Bye. Did a DoorDash order. So we got these items right here. Y'all see?
Look at our
And
tree.
we got some more items right here.
So we got DoorDash.
Y'all see.
We got DoorDash up
And we got some
here.
bread.
I got these. We got some.
Hot hamburger buns and bread. So
What? Got bubble gum?
That's my bad, y'all.
Bubble gum? Bubble
You still got it?
gum?
so when I had that sweet tooth,
Here, don't drop it on the floor.
these milk chocolate stars are gonna come in
We
handy.
got this, so.
For 11 pieces is 160 calories. I'm probably not gonna eat 11 pieces. I'm probably less than that, but some chocolate, y'all. I'll be excited when I get some chocolate. So I'm gonna put this in the freezer.
Why you hitting me for, sis?
Hopefully my kids won't eat none. Hey y'all. Y'all hear baby crying? Baby is crying. I gave him his bottle. He doesn't want that. So I'm about to hold him and try to feed him and see if he takes to the bottle. He probably just wants me to hold him. It's 8:18 in the morning, so usually he's more quiet and calm around this time, but I guess because he's getting older, he's 3 months now, so he's probably like, mommy, hold me. I want to sit up, or I got to get him some more toys because I want him to, keep his milestones going and keep his learning and mobility, learning and, his mobility and all that stuff. I want him to learn and stuff like that. So my next thing I'm going to do is probably order him a toy that can attach to his bassinet. So he can just be active and play with that. But he's talking, yeah. So I'm gonna pick him up and I'm gonna feed him. And I have this new don't mind my shirt, y'all. I'm a mom of 3 and it gets kind of busy and tiring, and you don't want to change your clothes because the next outfit you wear is going to get messy anyway. So I just kept on the same thing. But I have on this my face kind of dry. What was I eating? I don't know what I was eating, but it's this lipstick by Believe Beauty from Dollar General. It's not as.
She got you a mask, Mama.
She got me a mask. This is her mask. These are the kids' masks. But I can't fit this on my face, I don't think. I probably can. I'm not sure. But
After you grow up.
But it's like a purpley. Let's see if I can get it to the light. It's like a purple color, mauve purple.
Hey y'all.
And it's by Believe Beauty. And it's a liquid lipstick, velvet matte liquid lipstick. So I've been into those lately. And it was inexpensive. It was only like for $4.25. $4. Yeah. So that's what I have on now. It does when it dries, it does leave residue. Is that what it's called? It does leave
You hurt my back.
Like, you see that?
Baby.
The other one didn't do that, but this one leaves color because it's a, I'm guessing because it's more of a lipstick. So, but it does stay on your lips
See how Leo
a little bit more. As the other one was more crumbly, this is more when I go like that, it's not sticky or anything. I wouldn't rub my lips together. I'm just, you know, going like that. But yeah, I like the color. I was really trying to get a nudie color. I think Foxy is either a pink or a nude, but they didn't have it. And this one is in Mischief. So that's the color I picked up. And I'm about to get him. He wants to be held, y'all. So I will talk to y'all later.
Look what I made.
In a little bit. Cooking some bacon, y'all. It's morning time and I am making some breakfast. So I am cooking the bacon right now. I made some pancakes. So I'm gonna be having bacon pancakes and maybe some eggs. So that's what I'm gonna have for my morning breakfast, y'all. I'll talk to y'all later. This is the finished portion of the meal: eggs, bacon, and pancakes. So I'll talk to y'all later. Y'all have a good morning.